Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Bunda channel. Today we will learn English about description animals. Hari ini kita akan belajar bahasa Inggris tentang deskripsi hewan. Oke, follow me. Ikuti Bunda ya. Snack. Snack. Snack is dangerous. Snack is dangerous. Ular adalah hewan yang berbahaya. A snake has poisonous. A snake has poisonous. A snake has the body is very long. A snake has the body is very long. Seekor ular mempunyai badan yang sangat panjang. Shark. Shark. A shark is wild animal. A shark is wild animal. Seekor hiu adalah binatang buas. A shark live in the sea. A shark live in the sea. Seekor hiu hidup di laut. A shark can swim in the sea. A shark can swim in the sea. Seekor hiu bisa berenang di laut. Fish. Fish. A fish can swim. A fish can swim. Seekor ikan bisa berenang. A fish live in the water. A fish live in the water. Seekor ikan hidup di air. Penguin. Penguin. A penguin can swim in the sea. A penguin can swim in the sea. Seekor penguin bisa berenang di laut. A penguin can walk on the land. A penguin can walk on the land. Seekor penguin bisa berjalan di darat. A penguin has two wings. A penguin has two wings. Seekor penguin mempunyai dua sayap. A penguin cannot fly. A penguin cannot fly. Seekor penguin tidak bisa terbang. Bird. Bird. A bird has two wings. A bird has two wings. Seekor burung mempunyai dua sayap. A bird has two legs. A bird has two legs. Seekor burung mempunyai dua kaki. A bird can fly. A bird can fly. Seekor burung bisa terbang. A bird can sing. A bird can sing. Seekor burung bisa bernyanyi. Horse. Horse. A horse can run very fast. A horse can run very fast. Seekor kuda bisa berlari sangat cepat. A horse can walk on the land. A horse can walk on the land. Seekor kuda bisa berjalan di darat. A horse has four legs. A horse has four legs. Seekor kuda mempunyai 4 kaki. Cat. Cat. A cat can run on the land. A cat can run on the land. Seekor kucing bisa berlari di darat. A cat can walk on the land. And can walk on the land. Seekor kucing bisa berjalan di darat. A cat has 4 legs. A cat has 4 legs. Seekor kucing mempunyai 4 kaki. Butterfly. Butterfly. A butterfly can fly. A butterfly can fly. Seekor kupu-kupu bisa terbang. A butterfly has 2 wings. A butterfly has 2 wings. Seekor kupu-kupu mempunyai 2 sayap. An elephant. An elephant. An elephant very big and strong. An elephant very big and strong. Seekor gajah sangat besar dan kuat. An elephant has 4 legs. An elephant has 4 legs. Seekor gajah mempunyai 4 kaki. An elephant has 1 trunk. An elephant has 1 trunk. Seekor gajah mempunyai 1 belalai. An elephant can walk on the land. An elephant can walk on the land. Seekor gajah bisa berjalan di darat. Zebra. Zebra. A zebra can walk on the land. A zebra can walk on the land. Seekor zebra bisa berjalan di darat. A zebra can run on the land. A zebra can run on the land. Seekor zebra bisa berlari di darat. A zebra has black and white stripes. A zebra has black and white stripes. Seekor zebra mempunyai belang hitam dan putih. A zebra has 4 legs. A zebra has 4 legs. Seekor zebra mempunyai 4 kaki. Nah, anak-anak Bunda, semoga bermanfaat ya. Tetap jaga kesehatan, tetap semangat belajarnya di rumah. Bunda akhiri, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thanks for watching and see you to the next video.